To be young again. Hey, I'm David Phelps. I'm the CEO and the founder of the Freedom Founders Mastermind community. Yeah, I was younger at one point in my life. I don't feel old today at all, but I am a baby boomer in that phase of life. But I love what I do. I'm energized. But I remember going back when I was in my 20s, in my 30s, and I was, getting out of dental school and starting my practice and starting family. And it's just, you have all that energy and the drive, and you just the world's an oyster, and you can just have all you want of it. And I think that's a great attitude to have. And I know many of you have that. You've had also the benefit of the last several decades, at least the last decade since the great financial recession, to have the tailwinds behind you. And I'd say you, all of us, so that making money or money actually was figuratively running uphill. Now, I'm not saying you don't have to work for it. You have to work. You put in the work. But these big practice multiple exits that people are taking out in an early age, or putting money in this investment, that investment, and everything working out, it's wonderful as long as it lasts. But I'm here to tell you not to put down your fervent desire to make more and do more and be more profitable. I'm all about it. The problem is we're going through a secular change in the marketplace right now. Secular, big change, big wave change, not just a cycle, but we're looking at a 40-year change where we've had the lowering of interest rates over 40 years, which has allowed and aided in this great growth that we've had in this country. And that's wonderful, but there's always time to pay the price for it. And I think we're going to be paying the price over the next several decades. Doesn't mean you can't have a great living. Doesn't mean you can't have a great life. But the big multiples in growth in your investments, in your practices, that's going to wane down relatively quickly. So you've got to look at a different path. A different path would be smart to do. Many people won't want to do it. I know when I was young, I didn't want to listen to other people. I just want to do it my way because, by golly, I can do it. But if you have any essence of feeling that maybe what you've had so far has been partially because of you, your hard work, but also because of the market, that would be a smart tack to take and say, what do I need to do to change how I'm thinking right now about my future and what I want to have in terms of time freedom? Yes, time freedom. It's all about time, not about more money, but what does that money, that capital, do for you in terms of your time? If you're not focused on the time, you're going to keep on this path that unfortunately is going to probably take you to some areas in life of times of frustration, because it may not work out exactly the way you think right now. I'm just giving you the essence. If you're that young person, that young idealist, where I've been there, just to know that I'm with you, but I also know that there's some things that you don't know. And if you're willing to listen, I'd love to have a conversation with you and see if there's a way that we could take what you've already done and the energy and the drive you have and focus on what is really important to you, which is not always money. A lot of it has to do with what you care about, what's really your priorities in life. Where do you show those? Do you show that to your family? Do you show that to your spouse? I know I was guilty of not doing that when I was younger because I was all about making the money. You've got to put things in balance. There's a way to do that. And it's not going to be the financial model of Wall Street sells you. They'll sell you a lie and propaganda. There's a better way to do things. And I've done it myself, and I've helped hundreds of other dentists and doctors do the same thing. If you're interested, I open you to a discussion, a call at some point to do that. I'm here. I'm David Phelps. It's all about your freedom, so I want you to stay focused on what's important to you. See you next time.